This video is going to be explaining how to access Don's charts and save them to your TradingView. So you go to wherever you get the TradingView link that Don posts. I know he posts them on YouTube for YouTube members. He posts it to the Patreon if you're in the Patreon, and if you're in the mentorship, you obviously get it here under the Don's Charts tab. So you get to this page here, you go ahead and hit copy in the top right, name this whatever you want, it does not matter. Then you officially have his chart layout. Every single week I come up here and I delete the old one because I don't need it anymore. So now if I open this up on my phone or anything, it'll automatically be on the newest one. I do this every Sunday night to get Don's newest charts with all the updated zones and expected moves. To take off any indicators, you just come up here. You can just delete these. You know, the RSI bars, the expected move thing. Don has been testing out. He uses that to just get these white lines on the charts he does the expected moves on, and then the RSI bars is also always on because Don likes to use that. You can hide that if you want. And just to be clear, you do not get any of Don's alerts. You just get his zones, any drawings he puts on here, and the indicators that he has on, but most of the time you just turn these off unless you're going to use them. Let me know if you have any questions. You can tag me in the chat whenever you want.